To set up a GoHenry parent account, start by going to the GoHenry website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information, including your name and email address. Once you have entered this information, click on the Next button to proceed. Next, you will be asked to create a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password that you will remember. You will also be asked to confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. After creating your password, you will be asked to provide some information about your child, including their name and date of birth. This information is used to set up your child's account and to determine the type of card they will receive. Once you have entered your child's information, you will be asked to add a funding source to your account. This can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. You will need to enter the account details and confirm that you are the account holder. After adding a funding source, you will be asked to set up a weekly or monthly allowance for your child. This is the amount of money that will be transferred to your child's account on a regular basis. You can choose to set up a fixed allowance or a variable allowance that changes each week or month. Once you have set up your child's allowance, you will be able to view their account activity and receive notifications when they make a purchase or withdraw cash. You will also be able to set up spending limits and restrictions on certain types of purchases. To complete the setup process, you will need to confirm your email address and activate your child's card. You will receive an email with a confirmation link that you will need to click on to activate your account. Finally, you will receive your child's card in the mail and they will be able to start using it to make purchases and withdraw cash. You will be able to monitor their account activity and make changes to their allowance and spending limits as needed. Throughout the setup process, make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions of the GoHenry account. This will ensure that you understand the fees and rules associated with the account and can make the most of the features and benefits it provides.